Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Whirlpool washer PF error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Whirlpool washer here and you're getting a PF error code, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to do here. So in this case, if the PF error code is showing, it means that there was or there is a power failure during operation. And that's, in this case, again, there's a few things you could do. So first is if the error happened due to a temporary power loss here, you want to go ahead and basically turn off the washer and unplug it. Now let it rest for a few minutes and plug it back in, and in this case, and restart the machine. This should clear the error. Now, also, if the washer keeps showing PF, the control board might be damaged here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and plug your washer, remove the top panel in here, and basically you want to access the control board. Now look for burnt components, loose wires, or corrosion. Tighten any loose connections and replace damaged parts if needed. Use a multimeter to test for continuity, and if the board is faulty, replace it. Now reassemble the washer and restart it. Now also, if your home's power supply is unstable, it can trigger the PF error. So in this case, avoid overloading the power circuit by unplugging unnecessary appliance. Like for example, if you plug your, in this case, washer in the same plug as your, let's just say, a washing machine, a fridge, then in this case you might want to try a different plug instead. So this might be overloading your plug or your, in this case, your circuit or power circuit in your home. So yeah. Also, check if the power outlet or wiring are in good condition, and use a voltage stabilizer to protect the washer from power surges. But yeah, so if you don't know how to replace a few parts for your Whirlpool washer here, it is recommended that you contact a professional or a technician for this one in order for you to solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.